Doctor, goodbye.
Hey, are you okay?
Me pacho, my man is alright.
What's your name?
My name is John, but my mother called me Junior.
I mean your full name.
Oh, food is I got me.
Serious. Okay, what's your age?
Pardon?
What is your age?
My age is 20, 30 thereabout.
I'm not asking for your age. What is your age?
It's for your own good.
What's your mission here?
Make up president.
Mission.
Mission impossible.
Your mission.
My passion mission as it is.
Are you serious at all? Okay, I mean, what are you doing here?
Yes, I'm here to interview you for a job.
You are here to interview me.
Now you're mine.
Are you serious at all? Okay, interview. As what?
As a doctor in this hospital.
You want to be a doctor in this hospital?
Unfortunately.
Young man, I don't think you are serious. Okay, what's your qualification?
Pardon?
What is your qualification?
As for my qualification, yeah, it's good. You see, well, when I was in class 5, I was a cupboard monitor. Then when I got to class 6, I was a blackboard cleaner. I cleaned up till some boy became and they took it from me.
What has that got to do with this?
But you people say you want 5 years experience.
So what is the 5 years?
I did classes for 5 years.
I don't think you're serious. What does your 5 years stay in classes got to do with this?
If you mean right, the vacancy.
So please just find where the 5 years are. Let me know if I can give you the job. Find where the 5 years are. Tell me.
Pardon?
Okay, before you came here, what were you?
I was a froster.
What?
I was a froster in Ghana Commercial Bank. Now I'm the first floor.
And you said you wanted to be a doctor? I don't think you are serious. You have to go before I call the school. What did you study in school?
Pardon?
What did you study in school?
I studied music.
Oh, so you can sing?
Of course.
Okay, give me one song.
If I give you the one song, go give me the job.
You give me the song, I'll give you.
Only one song.
Only one song. That one?
Yes.
I said a song, I didn't say dance.
Yes, a beat.
That one, I don't think you're serious. I want to say.
Chocomilo. 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 Okay. Chocomilo. Chewing chocolate type of fun.
Okay. What school did you attend?
I attend Sunday school.
Sunday school?
No talking.
I mean, what school did you attend?
I say Sunday school.
Sunday school?
No talking.
I mean, which school? University? Which school did you go to? I'm not sure you are serious. I'm not sure you want to go. I'm not sure. Okay, name 5 parts of the body.
Pardon?
Name 5 parts of the body.
Only 5.
Only 5.
My head, my zona, my knee, and my toe. My head.
No, stop. I said 5, not 4.
My head, my zona, my knee, and my toe.
Your head, your shoulder, your knees, and toes. That is 4. I want 5.
I say 5. My head, my shoulder, my knee, and my toe.
That one. It's not 4. Please, your head, your shoulder, your knees, and toes. That's 5.
And then you'll know Papa there.
That one. I don't think I can give you the door. I will not see it. I can't give you the door.
So When should I start?
I said I'm not giving you the job. Are you just
and no patches.
you don't have the job, young boy, you're wasting my time. Okay?
And you woke up.
I'm not giving you the job, and that's it.
Oh, shut down and tell me.
Sorry, I'm not giving you the job.
Boy, me.
Sorry.
Why you they do that? Why you they do that? Why just pulling your brother? Just pulling your brother for the game. Why you they do that? Why you they do that? Why just pulling your brother? Just pulling your brother for the game. Why you they do that? Why you they do that? Why just pulling your brother? Just pulling your brother for the game. I'm sorry, no go feed the night. If you say you apologize, you no go feed me.